Refresh rate determines how many times per second your monitor updates the image, measured in hertz or hertz. Higher refresh rates, such as 144 hertz or 360 hertz, found on LG UltraGear monitors, create smoother motion by reducing blur and lag. This smoothness is especially crucial for gaming, where every millisecond counts in competitive play. This video will guide you through changing refresh rates on Windows, macOS, and Linux systems. To achieve high refresh rates above 144 Hz, ensure your LG UltraGear monitor is connected via DisplayPort 1.4 or higher. Verify your graphics card supports the desired refresh rate and adaptive sync technology like NVIDIA G-Sync or AMD FreeSync. Update your graphics drivers for optimal performance and compatibility with high refresh rates. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. In the Display Settings window, scroll down to Advanced Display Settings. Choose your LG UltraGear monitor, then select the desired refresh rate from the drop-down menu. For more control, use NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Change Resolution and select your refresh rate. Alternatively, in AMD Radeon Settings, access Gaming tab for refresh rate options and variable refresh rate. Open System Preferences and navigate to Displays. Select your LG UltraGear monitor from the display options. Look for the refresh rate option in the display settings. If refresh rate is not directly available, hold the Option key while clicking Scaled to reveal refresh rate options. For full control, especially on older systems, macOS may require third-party tools like Better Display. To change the refresh rate on Linux, start by opening a terminal window. Run the xrandr command without arguments to list available outputs and their current settings. Identify your monitor's output name from the list, such as DP1 or HDMI1. Then run the command to set the refresh rate, specifying the output, resolution, and desired rate. For a graphical interface, use GNOME settings or similar tools to change the refresh rate. Ensure your Linux kernel supports variable refresh rate for optimal performance. Access the OSD menu by pressing the joystick on your LG UltraGear monitor. Navigate to General or Picture, then Game Mode to find refresh rate settings. Some models allow direct selection of refresh rates, while others offer game modes that automatically adjust the refresh rate. Confirm changes to apply. If you experience screen tearing or flickering after changing refresh rates, start by verifying compatibility. Make sure the refresh rate is supported by your monitor, the cable you're using, and your graphics card. Next, enable adaptive sync in your graphics driver settings. For NVIDIA, open the control panel and enable G-Sync. For AMD, use Radeon settings to enable FreeSync. On macOS, consider using DisplayLink software to overcome the operating system's limitations on refresh rate changes. For Linux systems, you may need to manually configure Xorg or Wayland settings using commands like xrandr to set the appropriate refresh rate. Use tools like NVIDIA's PerfHUD to monitor your refresh rate in real time during gaming. Use AMD's overlay to monitor your refresh rate in real time during gaming. Adjust game settings to maintain a consistent frame rate, matching your monitor's refresh rate for optimal smoothness. Regularly update your graphics drivers for the best compatibility and performance. Update your monitor firmware for optimal performance.